Hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Blaze Funnels. So firstly I am thanking you that you are giving your time to watch my video. So Blaze Funnels is a funnel builder and in this video I will show you how you can get the product with my bonuses. So this is a bonus page of Blaze Funnels and you can check out the funnel is written wrongly here. Sorry, I correct it after just doing the video. So what is the thing, you can check out the video description link and you can click on them. There are three links, exactly same links, exactly three same links, and you can click on them to get the product with my bonuses from this page. When you just click the buttons given inside this page, you will be redirected to the sales page, and from there you can get the tool within just 17 bucks. This is a very simple and amazing tool. Let me show you the tool from beginning. So the first section is the home section. Inside the dashboard everything is given, like the leads, like the lead capturing facility, how much lead you have captured and how many pages you have just done, or how many campaigns are running. Overall all stuffs are given inside this dashboard. And the next section is tutorial section. If you stuck anywhere, you can check out the tutorials, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 videos, and you can then start your creating campaign, or you can use the existing campaigns. Like inside my campaigns, your previously done campaigns will be available here. Once you have started using it, then it will be available here, and some done for you stuffs, done for you campaigns will be given to you once you have purchased it, previously done for you, like created by the vendor or his team. Okay, so my money pages is also a done for you section. My money pages is totally a done for you section. You can check out any of the money pages here. Okay, it has come here, so you can look that it is a very premium. The look is very premium, and also you can use it for any of keto diet or any of Okinawa fat belly ClickBank product, and you can earn money. So monthly there are 10 million sales inside ClickBank's health and fitness products. So you can grab a pie easily from that kind of huge money. So that is the thing, you can use that and you can create your own campaign, and you can put the campaign name. Let me put it random because I wanna make the video faster and show you the main stuffs given inside it. Like it is a very easy stuff, and I know that from newbie to expert anyone can do the same thing. You can choose any of the funnels that is given inside front end, and if you just upgrade your tool, you will be given more funnels. You can check out that there are you can check out that page number 10, and this is the page number 1, 2. So there are, sorry, let me count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 32 funnels or 32 landing pages are given, you can see here, and you can easily customize it, any of them. Like drag and drop customizing feature is available for each of them. And inside traffic section you can use the automated traffic, like backlinking is given inside this automated traffic. You can use the traffic on demand. Traffic on demand is the social media traffic. You need to integrate your social media handles to get the social media traffic, and automated traffic is backlinking traffic, the tier 1 country traffic and tier 2 country traffic. You can let me put any random stuff, any video, no video link required, tag is optional, schedule post, no post, add post. Okay, so I'll have to give the link of the video. Okay, let me put any random link inside this video section, video link section. Okay, let me click on add post. Once I have clicked it, you can check out here the tier 1 and tier 2 countries. So it is in progress, but when you started it will be also in progress, but after some time, like after 2 or 3 minutes, it will be completed tier 1 traffic and tier 2 traffic. Like backlinking is working for this. In my assumption I can tell it that the backlinking is working for this inside the free traffic section, automated traffic. And traffic on demand is totally social media traffic. You can check out here, these social media handles are available inside this tool, and these upgrades are the upgrades of this tool. You can get more and more done for you stuffs inside the upgrade section, and that is the tool I want to show you. I have showed you already the tool. So you can check out the also sales page to get to know more about this tool, like this kind of result you can hope, and this kind of result. Once you have, I am not telling that assuredly you will be getting that kind of result, but you need to implement it and with your full effort, and you need to do it again and again. Like you need to test it, then you will be getting, like when I have started affiliate marketing, from the first day I have got my first sale after 40 days. So that is the thing, and now I am getting the sales daily and daily. Though it is a lower cost sale, like Warrior Plus products are very cheap, but the ClickBank's products are very high ticket product. But I am getting a sale from Warrior Plus quite daily basis. Sometime it may be after 3 days. It happens. Okay, so you need to start and you need to get some tools, and you need to start with your funnels. You can run solo ads. So these are the sales funnel and everything you can check out. You can check out from this page. And let me show you now the bonuses. So this all bonuses you are watching here, you are seeing here, this all will be given to you, nine bonuses inside the front end product. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given 350 plus more stuff with software mainly, and image pack, music tracks, and everything. So that is the thing. There are some vendor bonuses. Vendor bonus is totally a PDF section, totally so many PDFs will be given to you. So that was the product, and I am thanking you again. Have a good day. Bye bye.